Free vibration characteristics of single degree of freedom, SDOF, mechanical systems, investigating through theory, experimentation and numerical simulation. The study of free vibration is pivotal in understanding and predicting the dynamic behavior of mechanical systems, enabling engineers to optimize designs, ensure structural integrity, and enhance performance. In this study, the primary goal is to investigate the free vibration characteristics of a single degree of freedom, SDOF, mechanical system. The objectives include determining the system's natural frequency, damping ratio, and analyzing its transient behavior during free vibrations. This study employs a combination of theoretical analysis, numerical simulations using Simulink, and experimental observations to achieve these objectives. The Sanderson simple vibration apparatus was used for the study. Several important parameters, such as the damping ratio, the damping constant, the critical damping constant, the logarithmic decrement, and how different setups affect the results, were analyzed. Numerical results provide insights into the dynamic response, revealing critical system behaviors such as damping effects. The observation of this study also highlights the crucial role of damping in controlling and mitigating vibrations. Such behavior is of paramount importance in engineering applications where the control of oscillations is essential for system stability and performance. The discussion contextualizes the findings within the realm of mechanical engineering principles, emphasizing practical implications. In conclusion, this study offers an understanding of SDOF system dynamics, with applications in engineering design and analysis. Introduction. This study focuses on understanding how simple mechanical systems vibrate on their own after being disturbed, without any continuous outside force. We use a basic setup in the lab that mimics a common engineering model called a single degree of freedom, SDOF, system, which includes a mass, a spring, and sometimes a damper. These systems are widely used in areas like building design, vehicle engineering, noise control, and even in studying the human body. Our experiment investigates what happens when this system is slightly pushed and then left to move freely. This type of motion is known as free vibration. By observing this motion, we can measure important properties like how fast the system vibrates, natural frequency, and how quickly the motion fades out, damping. These properties are critical for designing safer and more efficient machines and structures. Through hands-on testing, we gain a clearer understanding of how real systems behave, which helps improve engineering designs and ensures stability and performance. This experiment not only supports theoretical learning but also highlights the importance of practical investigation in engineering and science. Conclusion. This study explored how simple mechanical systems behave when they are set into motion and left to vibrate freely. Using a combination of theory, computer simulations, and hands-on experiments, we examined how factors like mass, spring stiffness, and damping affect vibration. A special device called a dashpot was used to see how adjusting damping can control how long vibrations last. Our results were consistent across all methods, proving the accuracy of our approach. This research helps engineers better understand how to manage vibrations in machines and structures, making them safer and more efficient. It also provides useful, real-world learning for students and future engineers by connecting classroom theory to practical experiments. This important article is authored by the following scientists: watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.